In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Looker Studio. If you want your report to feel more on brand or simply more polished, a background image can make a big difference. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll point out a few helpful tips along the way. Start in your Looker Studio report editor. At the very top of the screen, click Insert on the toolbar. From the drop-down, select Image. Your cursor will change, and an image placeholder appears once you draw it out or place it on the page. Next, resize that image to cover the entire canvas. The canvas is the visible page area of your report, the space where your charts and text sit. Drag the handles on the corners and edges until the image spans from edge to edge. If you want precise control, it helps to zoom in a little so you can align the image neatly with the page boundaries. With the image selected, look over to the right side of the screen for the Properties panel. In that panel, open the Setup pane for the image. Here, choose. Select a file and pick the background image you want to use from your computer or drive. Once it loads, check how it fits. If parts are cut off or the scale doesn't look right, resize the image on the canvas until it fills the page in a way that looks clean and intentional. A high-resolution, landscape-oriented image usually works best, and subtle patterns tend to keep your charts readable. Now, there's a common gotcha to be aware of. Newly inserted images sit at the top of the visual order. That means your image will likely be covering your charts and text, making everything else look like it disappeared. Don't worry, that's expected. To fix it, select the image again so it's active. Go back up to the toolbar and click Arrange. From there, choose Order, and then click Send to Back. This pushes the image behind all the other visuals on your page. As soon as you do that, your charts, scorecards, and text boxes should reappear clearly on top of the image, giving you a proper background effect. And that's it. You've added a background image to your Looker Studio report, resized it to fit, and sent it behind all your visuals. If you ever want to change it later, just select the image, revisit the Setup pane to replace the file, or adjust the size again to suit new layouts. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your upgraded report design.